This is where the GH5's core audience comes from, and Panasonic is going all out to woo folks away from Sony's A7 series, at least as much as one can, given the trade-offs of Panasonic's much smaller sensor. Many of the whizzy new capabilities won't be available when the camera first ships. These include 4K/60p and 50p frame rate options, all intra 400 megabits per second, 4K, and 200 megabits per second, HD, codecs, 2 10-bit internal or simultaneous internal-external recording for all but 4K/60p, HD 2 is the only update in April, higher resolution anamorphic mode and 4K hybrid log gamma, for HDR10 standard HDR. Out of the gate it will offer variable frame rate and anamorphic recording, a waveform display, a new 709-like gamma profile, and the ability to program 2 focus points via the touchscreen to automatically pull focus between them. V-Log Gamma and a new lookup table-based preview will be an extra cost option as with the GH4, the DFD, depth from defocus, AF system, and the GH5 jumps to 225 areas from Panasonic's current 49 area maximum, which covers a huge chunk of the scene. In addition, it now samples focus at 480 fps and you can set the AF sensitivity and tracking parameters. As a result, Panasonic claims much better continuous autofocus. The camera also gains Panasonic's combo sensor shift optical dualism image stabilization. The company also announced it's refreshing the 12-35mm f2.8, 35-100mm f2.8, 45-200mm f4.5.6 and 100-300mm f4.5.6 lenses to support the system, as well as to add gust in weather sealing. Look for II in the names.